Mama wakwaba midi ede ajwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo nipa ya okase eye Ghana ni ambrante oye youth na nsema oka no tinu nyansa wo ni nsema oka ina ne se on party onigidi ewo NDC amayoko ni mu ewom se NPP for efeli Ghana fu ina eka. Yes, of course, because politicians normally the same NPP or NDC will do kadaya. But a brandy say NPP or the name may be a gua cream, Nadia Nema and or the egua cream or say NPP better than NDC. Or say Bekaya. Abra Oman Penny that John Dramani Mahama, a parliament under ex-president Kufuor. Our initiative whereby health insurance. Oman Penida da John Dramani Mahama, Honorable Haruna Idrusu, and I think Speaker of Parliament. I'm walking out from the Parliament House. What you support say? What you support say? Say what the health insurance ebeba na Ghana for hospital free. The near they will be in that such na. You know sometimes Ghanaians young reason kakra. Politicians omo dada ye but omo aye omo so fasoro omo debate omo mayen kakra no aya ye reason kakra health insurance beka ye buy na misua but the way see saving crofo NDC buy na health insurance be good because what's in your possible no wa be go no wa che Ghana for say ampasike ni ho this what the bibi ba na e be bo man na nya de be ye ti wo mpene NDC for wo hwe so wo follow omo na wo hwe omo nye ya wo patch inti pa say NDC for pa inti mo pa NDC for pa mo ba bem 27 years so aye and the bem pa na mo ba benefit Ghana for na health insurance NPP na dey buy free SHS NPP na dey buy che say ontiase inti no abranti kire say enya de NDC o metimi abo man Ghana titru pa ne kwabena Minka Akando Minta Akando drone Vice President Dr. Baumiana NPP amayoko and the buy so mo be saving crop no hana bisiu mami ya ne kokoso afunu ya sa this woman organizer no asem bia ba mesema no ofre no asemba na sa asem no sensitive ebebo man Ghana emu yehu a mano won friend radio bia so bisa na say because asema hana bisi ubeka no enye papa e dey to come back I quite remember was say NDC man me ref ni dey okogia platform so e koka say almost hand the power to NDC free wo frɛ hana bisi u e wo KFM ensama wo ma na keka no tumi sa adwo papa ni trim sama me no abranti ye kire say drone NPP focus what dey ba hana bisi u si drone no ebetwitwa nkrofo ho che say NDC fo de papa bia wo de kasa wo de bebe bia mo man Ghana wo se drone no ebetwitwa nkrofo ho ntima no mo fam wa hye we nei na branch ye che say NDC fo de ale papa bia wo mpe ntinya de a esese ye ma no mo san so ba ne tie nsima branch e de etuwa.
Thank you. That's what you're seeing. So anytime the NPP says it's possible, then the NDC will say it's not possible. Today, is the free SHS not running? Despite that, it has some lapses, but it is running. This government has implemented that. I will not sit here and say the free SHS policy is perfect. No, we also have some 2 or 3 things to correct. But it is running, and students are enjoying it. So as for me, if the NPP says it's possible, I believe that it is possible. And as for this, it's even shocking. When the Vice President of the Republic, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, launched the medical drone service on the 24th of April 2019, the minority in Parliament, led by Commander Minta Akando, the MP for Dwaboso, mounted a platform, called for a press conference, and says it's not possible. Their national women organizer, Dr. Louisa Hanabisu, says it's not possible. The medical drone service will take naked pictures of women and take it to the Jubilee House. These are the words of a national officer of an opposition party. and you still believe in the NDC. That it is not possible. Honorable Minta Akando insulted, chastised the vice president, saying it is another way of looting money. Today, I also speak in Ghana. The medical drug service in Ghana is one of the largest in the world. I am cited in Pandai. And anytime the Panda District Hospital, former president and currently the flag bearer of the NDC, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, walked out of parliament. The former speaker, Right Honorable Do Ajohu, walked out of parliament. The immediate past minority leader, Honorable Haruna Idrisu, walked out of parliament. And today I also speak, under the leadership of Dr. Bernard Okoboy, the National Health Insurance has over 17 million membership. So whenever the NPP says it is possible, it's indeed possible. Then again in opposition, then the flag bearer of the NPP, and currently the President of the Republic, His Excellency Nana Adedankwa Akufo-Addo, told us that he mounted a platform and told the whole Ghana that when given the nod, he will implement what we call the free ACHs. Then the former
Eric Bibi so has a one so me nya no kwama no kwai onya ye gbemifu asiafo muni ni musi ni mu chimi kaka excavator ehfa na akote sese ye ya kojo Bibi so has a won so wonya ye gbemifu kojo fast Edmond wan so ha me say me ne ene munyina obi na obegina me show yi so me delete mo John Mahama, would Jimmy no dos on the Casacho followers no Jimmy? Nama who say a buapayo when I show much in our so munis am wadeno. A John Mahama quasi and penny gentry, Tracy Boachamon plan a one or the gun sick mamma Tracy Boachamono. A yo no John Mahama, so wouldn't him so would you sick, my was more age tajo. So wouldn't him see a sick cocoa Tracy Boachawa. Coming election, so why? One was for more track with some more rally a munko do. Minyamo, you are mashed up to me, and on a wedding wherever. John Mahama Massamine say, so would you sick eh? Oh, John Mahama, unkando Crentia made to me on Minister Ghana for paying for this car. So would you sick Tracy Boache? Tracy Boache, the Ghana for Sika, and none no more no Tracy Boache and as a phone enema. Ghana for Sika, the Tracy Boache because of politics, who didn't it? One so woma Ghana sika be di hobia enane no mema wo ne woma mo be di Ghana sika so mo be yale da dema na ni agum ho mo be pro kwasiam panyin o ka se Ghana na da honom eye fofofo sa na beta kwasia time na kwa me nkroma na ni abere na o pese Ghana nye yi no munni ne mo se no wafo no na eye o mo se de na o pe na mo amkura mo sa kutia no Amo sai kutia no bra kwa we breye ne na nanom o mudi o moja konkroto ho maye o ba de no aba be ye fa wadwen keke solve a fin problem kwa John Mahama wonni adwen e de solve a fin problem kwasiam panyin o kwasiam panyin wonni adwen a e de solve that been problem said that's me e de siwa no ma bia adwen kwa e de solve a fin problem kwa wonni bi aboa toliwa. I say, what is your problem with John Dramani Mahama? Citizens, alas, Sisala. Also, Maminya Kwai, Onya ye baby fu. Yame Hana Baby Bisa question. Moi, Kona Koko Bisa John Dramani Mahama question. A Buatoliwa. Mena baby some question. Obisu say, are you well? Mentiapo, Ojana Hame Aden. Onya ye baby fu. Muatoliwa. Hey, and this information BBO. I say you have to learn something. Learn something. Learn something. Learn something. Monsieur Bibi. Monsieur Bibi no majime dodo. Majime dodo. Tempo. Mama yenya tempo kwansi si amsere mo a. Kwasi atodua. Onya ye gbamifu. Majime dodo. Musa so